Okay, we're going to use our isopropyl alcohol and a clean towel. Put some on a towel. We're going to clean the surface where we're going to install the vinyl. Usually isopropyl alcohol does not harm the finish, and it usually does a pretty good job of cleaning. Rub it. Usually you can hear the surface getting a little bit smoother when you clean it. Isopropyl alcohol also dries very rapidly. So we're going to find the center of the area that we're going to install. From the back of the hood to the hood latch is 36 inches. I'm going to take a wax pencil. We're going to make a mark at 18 inches. I made the mark just underneath the hood. We take our decal, which we've already determined is 2 inches by 25 inches. We're going to find the center of that decal, which will be 12.5 inches. I'm going to just put a mark in the center. I'm going to, on this one, I think I'm going to just measure up 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to put a wax pencil mark every 6 inches or so at 3/4 of an inch. We know that the 3/4 of an inch off the hood bottom is about what the factory decals are installed. So you don't really have to make a mark the whole way. Just make it every 3 to 6 inches. You can go in between those if you'd like to get a little bit closer. 3/4 of an inch. Make that mark. We'll get a few pieces of tape ready. 2 or 3 small pieces ready to tape the decal. We've got our center line right there. We've got our center line right here. We can then take that line of the bottom edge of the lettering, get our center line, and line it up with our 3/4 of an inch. Mark off the hood. We're centered. We're 3/4 of an inch at the front, and we're 3/4 of an inch at the back. And we'll put one in the middle. Press those down. We've created a hinge at the top. I normally like to run a piece all the way across the top just to reinforce that hinge, to make sure it doesn't come off. So you can kind of test your hinge mark. This is probably not required since it's just a wax pencil, but I usually take that mark off so it doesn't interfere with anything when we put that down. We're going to put this on wet, and I have some application fluid in a spray bottle, but I'm going to make this a little bit easier for us, and I'm going to slice this up instead of one piece that we're going to try to install. I think I'll do 2 pieces. I'll take my razor blade, go between a letter, making sure we don't get to the surface of the vehicle, Now I've got two pieces that we've hinged. So we can take this, and because we're doing this wet, we're going to take our spray bottle and we're going to spray some application fluid on the surface of the vehicle and the surface of the decal, the back side. Take our squeegee, we're going to set the top. We're just going to rub that decal down all the way across. Same thing for the next portion. I'm going to spray the hood and spray the back of the decal. Get that down and set that. And just make sure you get everything rubbed out. And because we've put this on wet, I kind of recommend that you wait just a few minutes to remove the application tape from the decal to let it dry. You don't have to worry about it lifting. I'm going to take our hinge tape off right now, get it out of the way, and we can then set that top edge also, where it might have been underneath the hinge portion of the tape. And it might have prohibited us to squeegee it out, so I'll squeegee that. And like I say, we're going to wait just a few minutes to let that set up a little bit.